Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Take a look at a bull flag we had on the 30-minute chart in crude oil futures today. You see that in the morning, crude right off the open made this big strong push to the upside. We hit significantly overvalued on a 30-minute chart, and so we had a pullback. And again, typically we know that if we hit significantly overvalued on a 30-minute chart, that we expect one of three things. So we're either going to get a pullback, we're going to go into consolidation, or we're going to reverse. Usually what we do is we get a pullback and then consolidate and then make another leg. And crude pretty much follows suit today. We hit significantly overvalued. We ended up pulling back. And it was actually a pretty decent pullback, maybe a little bigger pullback than you normally would like to see. But what made this an acceptable setup for the bull flag was the setup bar. The setup bar was very bullish. This opened at the bottom, closed very near the top. And you can see the overall chart was bullish. The 50 crossed above the 200. The 5 and the 13 were in a buy. Momentum, our histograms were all positive. Fast and slow line crossed to the upside and above the zero line. So the overall chart was very bullish. Again, this pullback maybe a little more than you would like to see, but again, a really bullish setup bar. Open at the bottom, close near the top, and the trigger of that bar was also going to trigger a bullish inflection on our histograms. And that bull flag triggered and then made a nice push to the upside. Our stretch target was 43.23, and we ended up going up there, tagging target. We hit significantly overvalued, and that was pretty much it for the upside for the day. But overall, nice trade in crude based off of this 30-minute bull flag. It triggered just above 42.77, so 42.78 was the trigger, and again 47.23 was our target. So potentially, depending on how you managed your trade, potentially $500 on that 30-minute bull flag in crude.